Most creators think you need expensive software like Nexus or hours of editing just to make shorts from your long videos. That's a lie. The truth is, Substack now does it for free, and hardly anyone's talking about it. Here's why that matters. Shorts are the fastest way to grow on YouTube, but making them usually takes money or time or both, two things that most creators just don't have. I'm starting a brand new channel, zero momentum. And I'm testing how Substack and YouTube together can build an audience without spending a dime on software for shorts. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it, and we'll see if Substack really is the cheat code that replaces all those expensive tools. Here's the big idea. Most people burn out trying to grow on YouTube because they think they have to create two types of content, long form for authority and then short form for growth. That means double the filming, double the editing, and usually double the cost. But what if one long video could automatically give you all the shorts you need to share on YouTube and your other socials? Let me introduce myself. I'm Jill Hart, the Coach's Alchemist, host of the You World Order Showcase podcast. My mission is simple: to help coaches and entrepreneurs amplify their voice, monetize their mission, and right now, Substack is one of the most powerful tools I've found to do just that. For me, this isn't theory. I'm testing this in real time on a brand new channel to see if Substack and YouTube can build faster growth with less effort, and I'm bringing you along for the ride. So buckle up and let me share with you how Substack makes this process feel so easy, and it's free. So here are the steps. Step 1 is to create your video. Step 2 is to upload your video to Substack, hopefully in the middle of some content designed to get your Substack audience to watch it. Step 3, click on the second option, which looks like two little fish with long tails, and that will open the settings up. Step 4 is to click on the options menu and click clips. And then step 5 is to click edit underneath the video and choose which dimensions you wish for the clip to be downloaded in, or you can trim the clip and then download it. And once you've downloaded the clips, you can upload them to all your socials. Here's the thing. You're watching this unfold in real time. This isn't theory. It's not me saying, hey, I built a channel 5 years ago and here's what worked. I'm literally testing this right now, starting with zero, no momentum, no magic shortcut, just this system. The experiment is simple. Can one long video fuel an entire strategy across YouTube and beyond? Can I skip the endless editing, skip the burnout, and still grow faster? And look, I don't know the answer yet, and that's why I'm doing this publicly. I want you to see the results with me. The views, the subscribers, the engagement. If it works, you'll know. If it doesn't, well, we'll figure out why. Either way, you're not just watching a tutorial, you're part of an experiment. And together we're going to find out if Substack really is the hidden growth hack that nobody's talking about. So what does this actually mean for you? Well, if you're a coach or an entrepreneur or a creator who's tired of spending twice the time for half the results, this is the leverage point you've been looking for. One piece of content can fuel your shorts, grow your YouTube, and keep your audience connected through Substack, all without you grinding away or paying for another tool. The goal is to get content streamlined from creation to production and then distribution. This, I think they call a flywheel. In the bigger picture, it isn't just about saving money or time. It's about building a system that makes content creation sustainable so you can stay consistent, get visible, and actually monetize your mission instead of burning out. That's the game. So let's recap what I just showed you step by step. Create one long piece of content, a podcast or an episode or a video of some sort. Upload it to Substack, ideally with an entire article around it so you're building your email audience at the same time. From there, edit the clips Substack generates. The best shorts either make people loop the video or leave them with a question they can only answer by watching your full content. And then you're going to connect your short to your full content. Upload these video shorts to YouTube and always link them back to your long form content so the viewers can go deeper. And don't just stop at YouTube. Those same clips can go on Instagram, Facebook, anywhere else your audience hangs out. That's one flow, one system, and now you've got a content flywheel that saves time, saves money, and builds momentum. If you found this helpful and you want to see this experiment play out in real time, hit subscribe. I'll be sharing the behind the scenes results as they happen. I'll be posting in the community so you can follow along there too and share your comments. Let me know where you are in the process. And if you're a coach or entrepreneur who wants to put systems like this in place that actually attract clients and monetize your mission, go grab your free client acquisition audit at coachesalchemist.com. That's where we find the exact gaps in your strategy and show you how to fix them. The link will be in the description. And hey, don't click away just yet. YouTube already knows which videos you're most likely to enjoy next. It's right here on the screen. Tap it, and I'll meet you over there.